Casa Segovia Baliwag, by Apex Homes, located at Barangay Hinokay Baliwag Bulacan. Along the highway, Baliwag-Candaba Road, one ride to Manila. 100% flood-free. 100% no fault line. Total contract price, 1.9 M. Monthly amortization 10,300 monthly. Reservation, 10,300 monthly. Through Paibig Financing. Duplex with garage. Burr-type turnover with one carport. Provision of 2 bedrooms. Complete toilet and tiled bathroom. Extra lot space at the back for kitchen and laundry area. Floor area 58.5 square meter. Lot area 44.5 square meter. Long span colored roof. Steel casement windows. Complete electrical wiring and fixtures. Complete water, plumbing pipes and fixtures. Amenities. Clubhouse. Multi-purpose hall. Basketball court. Concrete road. Children's playground. Landscape garden. 24/7 guardhouse security. Centralized water supply. Underground drainage system. Nearest establishment. Sagrada Familia Hospital 14 minutes. Pergold Baliwag 14 minutes. SM City Baliwag 15 minutes. Baliwag Municipal Hall 21 minutes. Baliwag District Hospital 21 minutes. Ultra Mega Baliwag 15 minutes. Baliwag Transit Terminal 19 minutes. Asterisk 8 Waves Water Park 21 minutes. Baliwag South Central School 18 minutes. Shell Baliwag 13 minutes. Near Highway Balagtas Bypass Road. Near Palengke, schools, hospitals, bayad centers, remittance centers and everything you need in daily life. Along Main Highway Jeepney. Choose your dream home now. Invest at Apex Homes Bulacan. For inquiries, site tripping and unit reservation, feel free to connect with us. You may call or text us at 096526514113. Jelica Replagaw.